Hi friends, today is another veggie unboxing. It's February, it's almost Valentine's Day, so stick around while I play matchmaker with my veggies. Hi, I'm Tony. Welcome to Seasonal Intuition. This channel is about food and cooking. My goal is to help you improve your cooking skills and intuition so you can stop following recipes and start following your heart. Let's start the veggie unboxing. Oh, we've got blackberries. Tasty blackberries. We've got, I think, a romaine lettuce. It's beautiful. Oh, we have shiitake mushrooms. We've got gorgeous red kale. What else do we have? It's a lot of tasty things. We've got beautiful oranges. I'm gonna put them right here. What else do we have in here? We've got one more lovely orange. They smell so good. I wish this was smell-o-vision. We've got gorgeous carrots. They smell very nice. What do we have in here? Oh my goodness. We've got a California cauliflower. So exciting. And we've got lovely broccoli. And we still have something more. What else do we have in here? We've got two different things. We've got lovely celery roots. Two lovely celery roots.
Wait. Are these literally the roots of celery, or is it something else?
They literally are the roots of celery. They're delicious in soups and in mashed potatoes and in salads.
Wait. Are you sure that this isn't just the part of the celery that nobody else wanted?
No, I'm certain this is the part that's the most flavorful in celery. And you can have it 3 ways, even though there are 2 ways here. So, yeah, this is celery root.
Okay.
So this is my veggie unboxing haul for this week.
Okay, so we're going to, since it's Valentine's Day, people are feeling the pressure to pair up. I want you to take every single individual item on this table and pair it up with a mate.
Okay. I'm going to pair them based on like what I would cook with or make a salad with. So I'm going to follow my intuition. So we're going to start with the romaine lettuce. And we're going to pair it with, let's do blackberries.
So these are salad pairings.
These are salad pairings.
So these guys are getting it on in the salad bowl.
Yep, and we're going to have oranges.
No, pair.
Pair.
Individual pairs.
All
so
right.
we have one pair.
All right, so it's going to be it was going to be romaine.
Blackberry and romaine lettuce are going on a date. I get it.
Yes.
Who's the next date?
The next date are the 2 celeries. We can't part them separately. They're just amazing together.
Isn't that a bit too obvious?
No, it's never too obvious. We're going to pair the mushrooms with the cauliflower. Roasted together. They're super tasty and flavorful.
Wait. I thought this was a salad matching. Or was it just the lettuce that's a salad matching? Is this a food matching, a food pairing, or a salad pairing that you're doing here?
This is going to be a mixture of food pairing and salad pairing. So I'm going to be talking a little bit about food pairing and a little bit about salad pairing.
Okay. So roasted mushrooms, roasted cauliflower, yeah?
Yes. They're super tasty. We're going to pair... Oh, this is tricky now. I think we're going to roast the broccoli with the carrots because that'll be really tasty. And we're going to make a salad with the kale and the oranges.
Each individual thing. You can't all 4. That's a 5-some. You need to pair up each individual item.
Okay, fair. So the orange and the kale are going to be buddies. And then I'm going to hold on to one of the oranges for myself. And then these 2 oranges are going to party together. So they will be great as orange zest. They also will be delicious in a juice. And they also will be very tasty as a salad with a little bit of shallots.
All right, let's go back to the celery root. You mentioned putting that in a soup. Is that the most obvious thing you would do with celery root?
Yes, it is amazing for chicken stock or beef stock, or if you're making any kind of roast that you're starting with slow simmering. There's a texture and depth and flavor that celery root gives, which is like super fresh and yummy. It tastes like spring. Like, we're still in winter. Groundhog's Day says that we're going to be, the shadow came out, so I think we're going to have like 6 more weeks of winter. This is a perfect time to use your Instapot and find out the treasures of celery root.
What's one other thing that you could do with the celery root if you're like a soup hater?
That's a really good question. The other item that is fantastic in celery root is if you add it and you make it like mashed potatoes, you can peel it and boil it just in itself, or if you'd like to add potatoes, mixing the two together is heavenly in like the mashed potato area.
So once you get past all the crap, there's a center portion that's kind of starchy like a potato.
Yes.
So you can boil it and mash it like you would do
a potato. Literally, they're a little hairy. So you cut off the fringes. See my video coming up. I will show you how to take care of these babies. This is the haul for the week. I hope you get to pair with yourself or with someone near you. And please like and subscribe my channel if you want to see more fun veggie unboxing videos or learn how to cook with celery.